Okay, guys, I gave up on finding a must shop because the highest level I found was a 60, and yeah, I searched for like over an hour, I think, but I couldn't find anything higher than the level. Oh yes, I found a 120, level 120, but it wanted first class fish meat, and I don't know how to get that. I don't know how to get that. So I just accepted my fate, and now I'm going home. Yeah, I need to open that. Okay, that was just a little bit better. But I think I'm gonna search for a good Psycho Leo for me, and then just the last tame is going to be a 13. So, and then I'm gonna tame something for Yuji because it has to be fair. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Bro, why are they digging themselves down? Like, I I don't understand those. Ooh, I could actually tame something like that for him. No, not the 20, but the level 80 Spino, and then kill the level 8 Rex. Cause like 8, it ain't good. Oh shoot. Oh, it ain't angry at me. Cause I gotta take a pit stop for some more stamina. Let's just take it here. But I think I have enough leather to make the Carno saddle. But I'ma just find some bushes here and take them. Oh, nah, screw the saddle right now. I'm gonna get that for me. So I don't know how much I need for the narcotics to get it. $16, $12. They kinda bad. They started team that level, but the 80 is a mid-game team. That could also be a mid-game team. But with these special drink mods me and Yuji have, that's a starter team as well, because I literally could knock it out with one shot. With a bow, I think. That ain't good for Yuji. I think the minimum we need to get Yuji is like 60 to 80, just like mine. That's 4, that's 50. 56 ain't gonna cut it. What are you? 56 as well? Then we might just get the same exact levels. Ooh, it's expensive of kibble. Like, the kibble is expensive because of the cost of making the kibble, but it's not expensive of getting, like, the amount of kibble, if it makes sense. Yeah, I thought you were running out of food. Oh, I actually have some. You can just get those two, and this is going to be spoiled meat. Whoa. Need around 4k health. Just one more point into health, and then all in melee damage. Okay, so in with that and that. Yeah, it should be enough. Then also just this. Do I got more on me? Nah. I could take this and this. Just spoil this. Okay, great. So it's down here. We got some, but it ain't enough. So we are going to take you out, buddy. What you got here? Just your food? Yeah. Let me grab your food for you. And then where should we go farm? I think over here is friendly. I'll just let you have your food. Oh, I just gave you some of my meat. Give me that, boy. I don't know if y'all want to see me farm, but yeah, y'all can just skip to the part where I ain't farming more if y'all don't want to see me farm. Okay, so we say Norco berries. Oh, we got a lot. And I ain't going to start crop farming just now. I don't think I ever will be, because we can just make kibble in the FMK mod. I think this is enough. And then I'll only take your favorite food. I think that's enough for you, buddy. And then you will get bubbled up. And then we ride. You'll get thrown out there. And then we say Narco. Berries. 42. Oh, that's because of the spoiled meat. I can make more when in just like a minute to 1.5 minutes. But then I can make some more exception kibble. Yeah, I think it need about like 5 exception kibble. Then just one more, not 51. My fault. Okay, so now I have 5 exception kibble. And then I should have 3 in here. Yeah, so that brings me a total of 8. Yes, it does. Big brain, guys. Big brain. But the fairy out there is 12. So let's just there's Alpha Carno. Might need to get that out of the way by just like getting it aggro onto me and then flying away. But where are the 2 fairies? There's the first one. I'll just eat all this just because. And is that the other one over there in the top right corner? I just kept eating. No, it ain't. How many do I have? Oh no, that's the trike's food. I forgot I didn't give it to the trike, so yeah. Thanks for the food, buddy. Heh. Who might spoiled me this up? Let's go. Ooh, that's a lot, that's a lot, that's a lot. That's a 250 times I can make. Like these. That's 2000 torpor. Wait, that ain't enough. Just to knock out the only one. I'ma go farming some more. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done farming. Yo guys, I'm back now from the farming session, and I also just knocked it out. But I think I have to go get some kibble. Oh no, not kibble, narcotics, so I could keep it asleep, cause y'all know the Therizini. So I'ma just go home and get it. No, it's not there, but it's in here. Narcotics. This deals 2000 torpor. Yeah. And get me down to FEG. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in, but once this drop downs to like 100 torpor, then I'm gonna feed it. But I'ma just think I'ma keep an eye on it and just go around and get some levels. Oh, you got some more arrows for me? Thank you, buddy. There are some raptors over there. Oh yeah, we actually do need some meat, so I'ma just take this. And then I'ma also kill you. Yeah, I was for a second I didn't thought I could kill it, but we are fine though. Okay, let me just check for the saddle. There? Nah, that ain't it. I do not remember its name, so I'm just typing saddle. There it is. Ooh, that's that's kinda expensive. Ah, that's fish meat. We don't need that. I don't think so. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna press E, and then I'm gonna see. Oh, so its food is right here, but I don't know how much it needs to go down for it to be able to eat. So uh, we just ate something. How much are down? No, I didn't see how much it needs to be. God damn it. But I'm thinking we're getting this. But I do not know if I have enough torpor, but I think I do. Well, when I have give it this torpor, then I could just like go up and make more. Let me just see what the pink does with the torpor. No, it's not that arrow. This should be the pink. Oh, so that was enough to knock the fairy out. So that means I basically just wasted 50 narcotics. Damn it. You are an iguanodon. Guys, this is actually my first time taming a fairy because in another arc run I just not didn't film, I was taming one, but then I killed it because it was waking up so quickly. Are you sleeping good, buddy? What are you laughing at, boy? And what are you looking at? Did I actually hit? Ah. Oh, there's some raptors. But I'm gonna stay here with you. Unless they come, then I'm gonna give you the thing and then fight the raptors. Okay, you're down by 100 food thingy. Should I just give it at 400 sulfur or what? Ah, that's a waste. 300. Okay, you're just gonna get it now. I think. Nah. I'ma just wait a little bit more. There you go. Well, I'ma just go take care of the raptors real quick. I think you're gonna eat my fairy while it's sleeping. So I don't trust you. Oh, 3. What level? 4. I could take these. 5. Oh no, I didn't sign up for this, but I got it. There's some low levels anyways. Okay, you just need to eat one more. Yeah, okay, you already did, boy. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's tamed up fully. Yo guys, it's fully tamed up now. There. Ah, that's not it. Just like that. Yeah, I think it's like that. Well, this is actually my first Terracini. So you're getting bubble, double, wobble, double, 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 and then you're going to get bubble, wobble, double, double as well. And then you fly me home, boy. So yeah, I'ma see if I can make the saddle, and if I can't, then I'ma tame the other stuff in tomorrow's video or something, or just record later. But I'm getting real tired of recording, not gonna lie, guys. But I do also love recording, but I just don't receive too much of it. Like, my dream is to become a big ARK YouTuber. It's like that, yeah. Fiber and leather is the main problem. Wait, how much leather do I need? 28. Okay. And then some fiber. Let's just make some more narcotics. And then we'll make this. Oh yeah, the first this one. Okay, so now we are ready to tame the other fairy later. But did we all actually like my space where I live? I think it's cool because you have to get up here by a flyer. So like, ain't no danger up here. Only me jumping down is danger. So yeah, I love it. What did you get tamed out as? 113. Okay. Well, I have my car now, so I just need to get leather and fiber. And fiber I need to get by hand. Wait, how much was it I need again? GHY. Oh, that's a Tycho Leo. Wait. So I can remember the Ingram level thingy on it right here. There is Inisaurus. Okay, only 160. I can do that. Okie dokie. So the leather is just going to be from this parasol. Thank you for kind donation. It's 100% a donation, guys. Wait, isn't the Alpha Cardinal right here? I don't know, but let me just get this quick then. Okay, so that should be enough leather. Let me just take this. And then E. Wobbly wobbly wobbly. That's a beaver. That means a beaver dam is here. I have no beaver yet. But I am going to take that out eventually. Somehow. So now let's just get the 5 must-up. Please say your... Okay, what do you need? Please don't be something ridiculous. Okay, rare swamp. There's beavers. So if there is a beaver dam with rare swamp, then we just solved our problem with the Oh no, that's not it. That's the flower. I know where to find another beaver dam, but like I don't want to go all the way over there. Oh wait, I can actually cost it. I also need one of the beavers that's over there. How much narcotics have you made? This much. Okay, just 5 more. Then that's 25 narco berries, ain't it, guys? Or am I just dumb at math? Oh, I'm gonna just get the 5 over here then. A 165. No, 116. Okie dokie, we are getting it, yeah. Now we got enough. Let's go home. To the almighty Therry Berry Dingleberry. Oh, that's just a trike. Yeah, you have food, right? Yeah, I think so. I hope so. Okay, in with you, and in with you. Then GHY. That's the Thycoleo. Wait, where do I make this? Am I tripping? Wait, what? Then saddles? Oh. Oh, there it is. What you mean you need more fiber? It was 160. Oh my. And then 120 wood. How much weight you got left? Okay, I think we can do this. Oh, that's a kind of good one. Oh, I need 18 fiber. Okay, great. And then some wood. We would like some wood. Just say 122 wood. Oh, what is that? What the? I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. There's nothing worse than those. For a second there, I thought it was a Titanoboa. Okay, this should be enough. How much I got? Yeah, it's enough. It's enough to make you slow, huh? Well, now we can make it. And then my problem is solved with the berry farmer. TH. It's this, yeah. Pull. Let's go. How much weight you got? I think that's fine. And then you also need to get to protect yourself. Dinky dingers. Tickle fingers. Should that be his name, guys? Tickle fingers? Or just tickle? Well, let me go check this bad boy out. First, we are going to try to kill you. Two seconds, guys. Guys, so my fiber problem is solved, but can't this one get berries as well? GH. Oh no, this is just a... What did that do? Well, I guess I got fever now. Fiber. But if y'all know how to get berries with it, please comment it down below. But I have been recording for like over 2 hours now, so think I'm gonna cut the video here. So yeah, see y'all. Bye.